You are staring at a screen that says, iPhone locked to owner, and you are certain you know the passcode. So why isn't it working? The truth is, your 6-digit device code and your Apple ID credentials are two completely different security layers. Most users get stuck because they are entering the right digits into the wrong system. In this tutorial, I will show you the exact technical distinction between these two locks and provide a clear, step-by-step walkthrough to bypass the confusion and regain access to your device properly. Hey, it's Elliot from MacCrunch. I see this mistake every day when an iPhone locked to owner message appears. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have permission from the original owner to use these steps. Attempting to bypass security on a lost or stolen phone carries serious legal risks. Use this information responsibly. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I am placing two iPhones side by side to demonstrate the core confusion. On the left, I have the standard lock screen, which asks for a 4 or 6-digit passcode to unlock the hardware locally. On the right, I have the activation lock screen, which appears after a factory reset and demands an Apple ID and password. I notice many people try to enter their screen passcode into the Apple ID password field, but these systems do not share the same credentials. The activation lock is a security feature linked to the cloud, while the passcode only grants access to the physical storage on the phone. I will show you how to identify the specific prompts on the activation lock screen that indicate whether a device passcode can actually be used as a secondary bypass. I categorize Apple security into two distinct layers to help clarify the situation. The first layer is the local device passcode, which acts as a digital key stored on a physical chip inside my phone. This code encrypts the local storage and prevents anyone from browsing my photos or messages. The second layer is the Find My network, which sits on Apple servers in the cloud. This system tethers the hardware serial number to a specific account identity for theft prevention. When I see the activation lock, the phone is communicating with those remote servers to verify my ownership. A local passcode cannot bypass this cloud-based handshake because the security check happens outside the device hardware. I must provide the account credentials to prove I am the authorized user. I will now walk through the specific steps to navigate the passcode unlock option or reset the account credentials. I look for the unlock with passcode link at the bottom of the activation lock screen to see if this shortcut is available for my specific device. This option only appears if I previously enabled two-factor authentication and a passcode on the phone before it was reset. I tap this link and then select the option to use the device passcode instead of the Apple ID. I enter the digits I use to unlock my screen, and the system verifies this local credential against the cloud record to grant me access. If this link is missing, I must reset my Apple ID password through the official I Forgot website on a separate computer or tablet. I enter my email address and follow the prompts to receive a reset code on my trusted phone number or secondary device. I showed the technical gap between your local device passcode and the cloud-based activation lock. I walked through how to identify the specific unlock with passcode link and the process for resetting credentials via the official website. These steps confirm that knowing your screen code is only half the battle when the Find My network is active. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to subscribe and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.